So I'm here with Matilda, and she's going to help me show you how this game, there's my chicken, works using all my Lego people. The students will sing the song as they go in two circles. So the outside circle's going counterclockwise. They're standing on yellow squares. The inside circle standing on the red squares are moving clockwise, and they all walk as they go. Before you start to sing the song, two people are chosen. There they are over there, 1, 2, and they are also moving if they wish, but they can stay still. And 4 people are chosen to be gates in these circles. So for our demonstration purposes, I'm going to choose this person and this person to be the gate in the outside circle, and I'm going to go on the opposite side, or go, so this yellow person and this blue person are going to be the inside gate people. So when we get to the end of the song, those people raise their hands, and everybody else is joining hands or touching the shoulder of the person ahead of them, so that the obvious only way into the circle is through the gates where their hands are up. All right? And we are going to see who can get to the center first to rescue the chicken, which in our demonstration is a monkey. And what happens is that I'm going to get you to, let's put the arms up of the gates now, because they're not really moving, and then we'll be able to do it when we get there. So their arms are up. Those are going to be the gates of where the people have to go in. But these 2 people don't know where the gates are, and everybody's moving. So that gate is always moving somewhere. So here we go, singing. This circle is walking this way, of course, and that one's going that way. There's my chicken sitting on a fence post. There's my chicken sitting on a fence post. There's my chicken sitting on a fence post. Oh no, what'll I do? My old chicken's getting loud and cranky. My old chicken's getting loud and cranky. My old chicken's getting loud and cranky. Oh no, put her in a stew. So then the 2 people run, and they try to find the gates that are open. Okay, you're going in that gate, okay. And then you're going in, oh, and then so she's in there safely, and she rescues the chicken. Whoever rescued the chicken, they get to stay and have another turn, and the chicken person that didn't rescue the chicken gets to pick a new person. So they trade places and they go again. And at the end of the day, we put the chicken champion on the board, and the next day they come and see who the next chicken champion is going to be, or they see who somebody else is in another class when they come. So I don't know if that helps or not. There is a diagram in the book of how to play this. The song is There's My Chicken. It is from New Singing Games for Young Singers, Volume 3, for grades 4 and 5, ages 9 to 11. And that is available at donnaandandy.com, and also available on Amazon as a print version. So there you go. There's my chicken. Thanks, Matilda. That was helpful. I needed more hands, and you helped me do that. Have a great day making music, and make music a great part of your day.